There's a reason we fear the ocean. Because beneath the surface, something is always hunting. Today, we fear sharks, orcas, box jellyfish. But 12 million years ago, there was something far worse. A predator with teeth longer than your forearm, jaws that could crush bone, a bite force rivaling Tyrannosaurus rex. But here's what makes this animal truly terrifying. It wasn't a shark. It wasn't a reptile. It was a whale. And it hunted other whales. Its name was Livyatan melvillei, named after the biblical sea monster Livyatan and Herman Melville, author of Moby Dick. This is the story of the ultimate ocean predator, a whale that perfected the art of killing. The year is 2008, coastal Peru, a place called Cerro, Colorado. Paleontologists discover a skull in ancient seabed rock. Massive, intact. At first, it looks like a sperm whale's skull. Then they see the teeth. Modern sperm whales have small teeth only in their lower jaw. They hunt squid in the deep, swallowing prey whole. But this skull has teeth in both jaws, upper and lower. Massive, conical, interlocking teeth, some measuring over 14 inches long. The largest functional teeth ever found in any animal. Bigger than T-Rex teeth, bigger than megalodon teeth in some specimens. These aren't squid hunting teeth. These are weapons designed for ripping flesh from massive prey. The skull measures over 10 feet long, just the head. Total body length, between 44 and 57 feet. Weight estimated at 50 to 60 tons. This wasn't just a big whale. This was a killing machine. They name it Livyatan melvillei, and as they study the fossil, a terrifying picture emerges. This whale hunted at the surface, in broad daylight, where the giants lived. To understand Livyatan, you need to understand its world. The Miocene epoch, 12 million years ago, an ocean teeming with megafauna. Megalodon ruled the deeper waters, the largest shark ever, reaching 60 feet. Giant baleen whales swam in massive pods, some approaching blue whale sizes. Enormous seals weighing over a ton hauled out on rocky shores. And Livyatan hunted all of them. It became a macro-predator, a whale that ate whales. Think about that. The intelligence of a modern sperm whale combined with the hunting instincts of an orca and the raw power to take down prey its own size. Modern sperm whales have the largest brain of any animal that ever lived. Livyatan would have inherited this intelligence. But unlike modern sperm whales that hunt squid in darkness, Livyatan evolved differently. Its teeth prove it was a surface hunter. Its body suggests speed and agility. Imagine a baleen whale peacefully feeding near the surface. Beneath it, a shadow. Silent, massive, rising. Livyatan would erupt from below, jaws opening to reveal rows of interlocking daggers. The impact alone would be devastating, 50 tons of muscle slamming into prey at high speed, but the bite would seal the fate. Scientists estimate Livyatan's bite force at 13,000 to 16,000 pounds per square inch, comparable to T-Rex. When those jaws closed, teeth would interlock like a bear trap, puncturing deep into flesh. Then, the head shake. A single bite could remove hundreds of pounds of flesh. The prey would bleed out in minutes. But here's where it gets even more terrifying. Livyatan didn't hunt alone. Modern sperm whales are highly social. They live in pods. They communicate. They coordinate. Livyatan would have been the same. Imagine a pod of 5 Livyatan hunting together. Coordinated attacks on massive whales, flanking maneuvers, separating mothers from calves. This wasn't mindless predation. This was tactical hunting by intelligent predators with the size and power to kill almost anything. Even Megalodon would think twice before engaging a Livyatan pod. Scientists have found evidence of conflict between these apex predators, bite marks on fossilized bones matching both species. They shared the same waters, competed for the same prey, and occasionally they fought. Who would win? Megalodon had size. Some specimens reached 60 feet. Its teeth were designed to saw through flesh and bone. But Livyatan had intelligence, strategy, sonar to track movements, and numerical superiority in pods. A lone Livyatan versus lone Megalodon, the shark probably wins. But a pod of Livyatan versus lone Megalodon, the whales take it. When these titans clashed, the ocean erupted in violence, blood in the water, massive jaws snapping, tons of predator colliding. These battles would have been apocalyptic. But Livyatan's greatest prey wasn't Megalodon. It was other whales. Juvenile baleen whales, large enough for a massive meal, but not strong enough to escape. Livyatan targeted the weak, the young, the injured, just like modern orcas. But unlike orcas at 6 tons, Livyatan weighed 10 times that. It could take down adult whales, 50-foot whales weighing 30 tons or more. Very few predators in Earth's history could hunt prey their own size. Livyatan was one of them. So why did it go extinct? Climate change, food chain collapse, competition. Around 5 million years ago, ocean temperatures dropped, currents changed, productivity decreased. The mega prey Livyatan depended on began to decline. Baleen whales migrated to colder waters. Livyatan, specialized for hunting massive prey in warm seas, couldn't adapt fast enough. Megalodon faced the same pressures. By 3.6 million years ago, both were extinct. The age of mega marine predators was ending. But here's what's haunting. We have modern sperm whales, descendants of Livyatan's cousins. They survived by diving deep to hunt squid instead, which means Livyatan's lineage didn't fail, it just evolved differently. Could something like Livyatan evolve again? Theoretically, yes. Evolution responds to pressures and opportunities. If mega prey became abundant again, sperm whales could re-evolve those traits. But those conditions don't exist. The oceans are depleted, overfished, polluted. Livyatan's world is gone, and it's not coming back. But in the fossil record, Livyatan endures. A whale with teeth like daggers, jaws like a vice, intelligence rivaling any predator. Livyatan wasn't just a predator, it was the apex of what predation could be. Smart, strong, social, deadly. The ultimate killer whale, not an orca, something far more terrifying. And somewhere in Peru's sediments, its bones still rest. Silent witnesses to an age when whales didn't sing peacefully in the deep. They screamed through the shallows, jaws open, hunting everything. Livyatan is gone, but its legacy remains. A reminder that evolution creates real monsters, not from nightmares, but from the relentless logic of survival. The answer is simple. The ocean did. Because the ocean doesn't care about fear. It only cares about survival. And Livyatan survived by being the thing everything else feared. If prehistoric ocean predators fascinate you, smash that like button and subscribe to Legacy Untold. We're exploring Megalodon, Dunkleosteus, Mosasaurus, and creatures that make modern predators look tame. The ocean's deadliest chapter is written in fossils, and we're reading every page.